Hey class, I'm back again with our reading activity. Boys, girls, let's continue. This is page 111 and this reading activity is very long, so let's get started. Look at the posters. Okay, here, one, okay, two, there's two pictures. Okay, what kind of animal do people smuggle? What is smuggle, teacher? I don't know, mister. Okay, smuggle animals is the kind of animal that are sold on the streets without permission. Maybe they are exotic animals or animals not from our country, from different countries. Okay? It's like contrabando, contrabandear. That's the idea, okay? Look, I repeat, look at the poster. What kind of animals do people smuggle? For example, we have a tiger, no? A tiger says tiger smuggling in Thailand. Sleeping snake in a suitcase, no? Snakes. For example, what kind of animal people smuggle in our country, in Peru? No, there are animals that are in danger of extinction, no? Birds, snakes, and many others. So this could be a good idea to search for. Okay. Now let's see. Watch out for animal smugglers. Let's see. Give me a second. It's a lot. It's a lot. So pay attention.
Unit 7, Track 61, Activity 2.
Watch out for animal smugglers.
Imagine this situation. You're at the airport waiting to collect your suitcase. A man is standing next to you. He picks up a large leather suitcase from the baggage carousel. His bag moves. What do you think?
A. There must be something alive inside his bag. B. It's none of my business.
You look closely at the suitcase. It moves again. What could it be?
A. It can't be a person, it might be an animal. B. I don't know and I don't care.
He picks up the bag and looks around him. He looks nervous. Who is he?
A. He might be an animal smuggler. B. Sorry, I have no idea.
The bag moves again. What do you do?
A. Call a customs officer. B. Nothing.
The correct answer to all these questions is A. Animal smuggling is cruel. Many of the animals that people smuggle are endangered species that should not be removed from their natural habitat. A large number of them die during the journey because they travel in boxes, suitcases, or even inside people's clothes. Animal smuggling is a crime. Buying and collecting smuggled animals is illegal. Punishments can include heavy fines and imprisonment. Animal smuggling is increasing. It's the second most portable illegal activity in the world. Only drug smuggling makes more money. Help us stop animal smuggling. If you see something suspicious, report it.
Sleeping snakes in a suitcase. Customs officers in Jakarta arrested two men suspected of having animals in their suitcases. The men were trying to fly from Indonesia to Dubai. When airport officials looked in the men's bags, they found 40 pythons. The snakes had been given drugs to make them sleep. The suspects were questioned by airport authorities, and the pythons were taken to the animal quarantine center at the airport.
Tiger smuggling in Thailand. Police caught a 31-year-old woman trying to smuggle a baby tiger into Thailand. The tiger cub was inside a suitcase with a toy tiger. Although the woman had drugged the animal to keep it quiet, airport officials noticed that one of the two tigers was moving when they scanned her suitcase. The smuggler went to prison for 6 years.
Okay, let's divide this activity in three. No? Let's see. Watch out for animal smugglers. For example, here are some questions, no, about what happened. Imagine the situation: you are at the airport waiting to collect your suitcase. A man is standing next to you. He picks up a large leather suitcase from a baggage carousel. His back moves. What do you think? No, imagine you are at the airport, not necessarily at the airport. Imagine you are in Soyuz or Flores, no, and you see a man with a suitcase, una maleta, and that suitcase moves. What do you think? There must be something alive inside his bag, or it's none of my business. It's not your problem. My first idea, for me, if something moves, there is something alive inside. Okay, that's my idea. For me, letter A. You look closely at that suitcase. It moves again. What could it be? It can be a person. It might be an animal. No? Imagine a person in a suitcase. It's impossible. But an animal? Yes, in my opinion. I don't know, and I don't care. It doesn't matter to me. It depends of everybody, okay? Everybody can think and do his answer. He picks up the bag and looks around him. He looks nervous. Who is he? He might be an animal smuggler? Or sorry, I have no idea. No, in this case, I don't know. I have no idea. Could be a smuggler, or maybe could be a person well, he's not a smuggler at the end. He could be the person who buy an illegal animal. Okay? The bag moves again. What do you do? Call the custom officer. So you are in the airport or nothing. No? Oh well, if you see something weird or strange, you call the police maybe, no, or someone in charge. No, and also here said the correct answer to all these questions is letter A. No? And he give us some information about this. Animal smuggling is cruel. Many of the animals that people smuggle are endangered species that should not be removed from their natural habitat. A large number of them die during the journey because they travel in boxes, suitcases, or even inside people's clothes. Animal smuggling is a crime. Buying and collecting smuggled animals is illegal. Punishment can include heavy fines and imprisonment. Animal smuggling is increasing. It's the second most portable illegal activity in the world. Only drug smuggling makes more money. No? And here there is a phrase, help us to stop animal smuggling. If you see something suspicious, report it. Okay, and in this, okay, the first part was this little quiz. The second part was the answer, not to those options, especially letter A. And the last part is sleeping snakes in a suitcase and tiger smuggling in Thailand. Now here you have uh, two cases, okay, two cases of smuggling. Yeah, so I'm not going to read this because you are going to read this activity then. Here, for example, says true or false. Try to correct the false mistakes or the false sentences. Many small animals are very rare. Rare, were strange. True or false? The journey killed many animals. True or false? Letter C. Animal smuggling is more profitable than drugs smuggling. Okay, true or false? Criminals smuggle a dangerous animal. True or false? Customs official arrest the snake smugglers in Dubai. True or false? The woman was smuggling two tigers into Thailand. True or false? Listen, class. Our goal is going to be this part. Okay, this is going to be our goal in our class. Remember, I told you that each class is going to have a final goal, a final product, so that you can show me that you understand or you are in class. Okay, so you are going to read and finally you are going to answer true or false. Okay, true or false, and correct the false sentences. Okay, class, this is going to be our activity. If you need extra information, you can watch the video again, you can repeat this part, and you can try to answer to be ready for this activity. Well, class, remember that we have our project now. For this week, we are going to get the groups. No, you know your groups, and we're going to meet you in each group, and also you are going to know who's going to be the artist that is going to be interviewed by you, by your group. So let's wait this, okay? Let's wait for this. Well, class, thank you very much. Always a pleasure to do these videos for you. See you. Okay, bye bye. Greetings from home.